Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn about the flash fill options. Flash fill options are button which will appear next to the results after using flash fill. A list of menus are available once clicking on the button. The options available in that we have undo flash fill. This will remove the data in any cells that have been filled by flash fill. We can also use shortcut key to use this undo flash fill option, that is Control plus Z. We can see the options here like this. If you go to Excel, we'll try to extract some numbers. We'll click on this flash fill, we'll get the result. Suppose if I don't want this to be completed, we'll go to this flash fill options, which is a floating button. Click on this and say undo flash fill. We can also use shortcut key Control Z. Redo flash fill revision. Suppose if we undo an option, we'll get this redo option to redo the changes what we have done. This will redo the action done after pressing undo flash fill or using shortcut key Control Z. We can also use shortcut key Control plus Y. If you go to this Excel, we'll say flash fill. Here we have this undo flash fill and we don't find this redo flash fill. We'll try to do some changes. And I feel that these changes are not required. I'll use this undo flash fill. Now if you go and click on this option button, I can see this redo flash fill revision. And if I click on this, I'll get back the options. Suppose if you want to use the shortcut key, I can use Control Y. Accept suggestions. After doing the changes or after clicking on flash fill, if you want to accept the suggestions, we can use this option. Before we accept the suggestions, we can edit any of the results to correct the flash fill. We have the accept suggestions. If you click on this, this will accept the changes. We can still use this Control Z to undo the options. And again, we can use this accept suggestions. Select all n blank cells. This option allows us to select all the blank cells in the flash fill column. We can further fill these blank cells with any other values. We can see some blank cells here. We'll select this and we'll use this flash fill. We see two blank cells here. If we click on this flash fill options, we can find select all. The number of blank cells will be mentioned here. When I select this, we'll get selected these two blank cells. We can use this for filling the blank cells. Next option we have is select all n changed cells. This allows us to select all the filled cells. We can further inspect these cells to ensure the results are correct. Let's do it again. Flash fill. We select this option. Here we have select all 7 changed cells. The number what we see here, 7, will denote the number of cells available here. Select this. You can select all these cells. Thank you so much for watching this video.